Hey there, welcome to my channel, your gateway to captivating world of technology. I am Vibhushit Tyagi. I am here to share my passion for technology and guide you on an exciting journey. Have you ever felt lost in this vast sea of information when trying to learn about blockchain? Trust me, I have been there too. That's why I have created this channel. I wanted to build a platform where you can find relevant, reliable, and comprehensive information about blockchain technology all in one place. In this fast paced digital era, blockchain has emerged as a game changer, revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we transact, communicate, and trust. I believe that this knowledge should be accessible to everyone, whether you are a college student exploring new technologies or a working professional seeking to stay ahead in this digital landscape. This channel is for you. Through clear explanation, step by step tutorials, practical examples, we'll explore the complexities of blockchain, making it easier for you to grasp, harness its potential. This channel is not just about providing information, it's about empowering you to become the part of blockchain revolution. Together, we'll explore use cases, dive deep into emerging trends, and inspire each other to think outside this box. So, if you are ready to embark on this exciting journey into the world of blockchain, hit that subscribe button and join this channel. Let's learn, grow, and embrace the limitless possibilities of this transformative technology.